Hello guys, this is Abdurrahman Khan, and this is my to-do list web app, simple. And this is from Coding Ninja skill test. We have a container here in which we just place all the things, and we have second container to-do app in which we have h2 with image, and that div class name row, and id have row 2. If we have input text, input box, placeholder, and we give id here which we used in JavaScript, and on click function at task win button, and we have just another container of ul, another list. id is list container, and that li will created by JavaScript, and we just put a script.js here to link it, and style sheet here. Now this is my style sheet code to designing my HTML web app, simple and best. And this is my there is my JavaScript logic. We took three variable: input box, list container, container from id, input box, list container, and container, which actually this is a class list. Query selector from dot container, this is class list. And we took create a function here at task, which we put in button, which was put in button, and there here's an logic. If input box value is empty, then we create an h3 element, and in h3 element we just put you must write something. If someone just clicked the add button without writing anything in input box, then this will show the message from this will show the message to him, and it will disappear till 3 seconds. After 3 seconds, this is set timeout function in here, which we just remove that value from him in HTML function. And then this is the else part, where we just create an li element, and just put the value from input box to this li element, and we have just a span element, and we just create a span element when we have inner HTML and this slash code input box. After that we just add this button, and we want to remove that value from input box. When we click on add button, just this function, this code will run here, and this just remove the code from that, because this is a loop, a logic loop, or we can say block item. After that block, we just remove the here, and just this is a list container dot add event listener. We add event listener click function, click event listener to function target dot name if ali. If we just want to check that if I done that work, and we want to check it, then this logic will be work there. And this is there is a two logic, if and else. If we have li, then we have checked. If we have span, that we remove that parent element. And this is a function to save data at local storage, and this will the function to show task, okay, when we will refresh that button. Okay, let's go to my web app, go live, and this is my to-do list web app, simple. Add your to-do list item. Let's see if I don't write anything in input box. Add, just see, look at that, you must write something. And what are beautiful, that is disappeared in 3 seconds. Let's see once again. 1 2 3, just disappeared. And we just add something like superhero, and we just click on add. Then we have just JavaScript created an li with check that this function will run when checked and unchecked. This will remove that to class list. We just add, and this is remove cross button. This that simple. Thank you.